my name is Miss Fountain.
And I'm Mrs. Babson.
And this week's theme is camping. Now, before you go out in the woods, you're going to want to make sure that you've brought everything that you will need. Making a packing list always helps keep me from forgetting things. Today I'm going to teach you a rhythmic game that can make packing fun, and maybe a little silly too. First, we're going to think of a rhythm. I'm thinking of tee-tee-ta. Can you do that?
Tee-tee-ta.
Great! Now I'm going to think of words that would go along with things that we would bring camping that match the rhythm tee-tee-ta. So, Mrs. Babson, what's something that we would need to bring camping that matches the word, or matches the rhythm tee-tee-ta?
Sleeping bag.
You got that right. Sleeping bag. Clap it.
Sleeping bag.
Nice job. Now, I'm sitting in front of something fantastic right here that's going to keep me warm at night, but I need something in it to light up. What do I need that's tee-tee-ta?
Firewood.
Great job! Can you clap it? Nice job. Now, when I'm sitting around that fire, I can think of a wonderful snack that I'm going to want to toast right on top of that flame. Do you know what it is?
Marshmallows.
Great job! Can you clap the marshmallow? Yeah, make sure you don't do that with the food in your mouth. Now, after I have all of those marshmallows, I may get a little thirsty. I sure hope that I brought my, here's our new rhythm. Test it out. T-T-T-T. What would you bring?
Water bottle.
Nice job. Go ahead and clap it. Water bottle. Excellent job. When I'm sitting around and I'm relaxing, I sure don't want any of those pests bothering me, so I'm going to need to spray something. What you got there, Mrs. Babson?
Bug repellent.
Nice job. Clap it. Bug repellent. Finally, when I'm all tuckered out and ready to go inside, I'm going to go in something that is just a ta. It's behind me. What do you think?
Tent.
That's right, folks. So make sure that you check out the link that's attached to this to create a fun packing list with your family that goes along with those rhythms. Have fun!